Kwasi Aboagye Maame Kwasi we Jim UTV show mama Kwasi despite coming in despite don't Kwasi uti ona who so be adwuma despite have be company amount but that's ngasa no Kwasi ka tell me minute edita Kwasi wo 2,000 pound cash u family nyina mo Jimmy company na mo yamujina mo Jimmy including Fadda Diskson na mo Jimmy wo mo bodam mo ma me twam Jimmy, all the Peace FM, your station including Despite, I don't care. Despite not they pay me, Despite not they give me any money. Despite you see the company that you put for there in a small Ghana. Forget everything. Nobody will take care of anybody. For Ghana entertainment. See, Charlie, Ghanaians they tire. Ghanaians they tire. You understand? And this is Kwasi. I didn't say I'm here was entertainment side. Who say every Ghanaian. When every Ghanaian turn politician, every Ghanaian won't fight for something for himself. Every Ghanaian. Then we get 13, 14 people for some industry. So in Kwasi asem. And the Ghanaians what they did, they didn't know na mo de bia de na Shatta Wale, and omo niska so na me buffon. Omo mina wuniska from sa UTV squad no. Echo Peace FM squad Jimmy Fuo Kosa and just the musquad Kwasi Fuo Muni nyansa some okay muni shika be mo mobile phone but nyansa muni nyansa and a Ghana for musumu tio na debia na nkofo we kasa o man yom say papa for but ma make I tell you something Ghana me make I tell you no old man, Gofi, show me how for do my thing for that country inside. Because all when I old men for the country inside, they behave like they be fathers, so they talk to kiddies. Hey, Massa, make I tell you, if the civilization will not catch your side, where they be London? You know how much civilization they people them eye open, people them ear open, people they respect people. But Mutigana they like you get some pain. Ghanaians already have pain for the current government and the things where they go. Ghanaians have pain plus the government. The people they bring your pain comes into really top. You go wait for entertain people. Entertainment they do. You know be politics they do. Because just a makoka kumantia and see musumu baby. Makaka matoni nyansa. Makaka matoni nyansa. Until NPP government to that brand. He's the case in NPP government. My God. Because I reach my go kumate, make a finish my go kumate. Well, okay, you know, I'll call you. Makaka kumatoni nyansa. We get Ghana them won't behave like some people be fathers. Because yeah, they talk. If Ghana government they put money for one careers, I like Shatta Wale. I know can't sit on internet and they talk like this. Why would they talk like this? Me now fight for my team. The Ghana government saw they can't say I don't know. Me now fight for my team. So nobody for can cross my path and do like don't show me say the opinion person. My bow assume I got to be sorry say. My bow assume. Because my father did it, he grow past me. By the time my father said, Daddy, you understand? When you grow picking, if you don't say you born new thing. So your picking the thing bring come, you don't know. My father, he understand that language, where he listen to me. Then we get somebody one day like I've been praying for winning because Aboagye Maame Kwasi we Jim UTV show. Mama, Kwasi despite coming in despite don't Kwasi uti ona who so be adwuma despite have be company amount but that's ngasa no Kwasi ka tell me minute edita Kwasi wo 2,000 pound cash. What Jim papa? What Jimmy, wife Jimmy, who papa Jimmy, who family, you know, what Jimmy, company, no more, what Jimmy, including Fadda Diskson, now what Jimmy, war, my bottom, Mumma me jump, what Jimmy, all the Peace FM, your station, including Despite, I don't care. Despite not they pay me, despite not they give me any money, despite you see the company I put for there in a small Ghana. I'm John. Forget everything. Nobody will take care of anybody but this Ghana there. My Jimmy war, my bottom. Memo be a ben open. Obia Jimmy. People do I got the watch. Certain things on internet just say, hey, to Ghana, like nobody if he sit down and talk, say, but why? Everybody, nobody wants to say something negative. Hey, all those new journalists, when people come entertainment inside, where they do your whether podcast or and YouTubers or more bottom, more Jimmy, more wasting time. Cause so I can't watch them. Me asasa me also for my deal. Me any government in Guinea, man bibia. Say government grandma me there. Country now on government in my bibia. Why you what Jimmy Moonjing? No why you entertainment people. No mu kasa. No debia mu ye. Fadda Diskson utio. And I will say debia Shatta Wale kasa UTV. Mutio moon say serious. Cause yeah, that me my boys be sorry on. I want about and that Ghana for be sorry. I want to move chem. We don't move on move Ghana and Jago. Ghana say. And that boys be sorry on. Omunko boys in omunko nima. Omunko colleague on. Ombeba islegon. Ombeba cantonment. Ombeba airport hills. Ombeba chain homes. Bibi asikano mudi asano. I want boys beba. Na move chem. My Jimmy papa. Mpani form work Jimmy sir. Kwasi Aboagye no mikopuna ana mikoye ni bibia. That's why police they say that they said they do cyber, they get cyber units from me mugwa go say na ade na oka no my energy they be oyam the time they get the money 50 people they gather the money where they chop 8 people they food for the country salary nobody fit but Charlie why see a whole tabia somebody will get in company. Mako tabia fieda. Mako manu fieda. Mako tabia bites. Mako ni fieda. Enye fieda. Miko afeni kwa bakupena makomu. Be efia manu wo. Niyama waya mana brabo. Kwa siya mu beso mu kase. Tabia. Why Jimmy rough? Then I want Ghana for. Mu entertain. Bro. Yeah, I'm good. Oh, I'm going to see my auntie, and when I'm back, I'll just call you. Then I'll let you know. I called you the other day. You left though. I know, man. Don't worry, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, no, it's perfect now. Okay, bro. All right, bro. Thanks so much, man. Thanks. All right, bro. Thanks so much, man. Thanks so much. All right, bye. Business now, friend. Then what to Ghana? Now we share boy, we are all bread, ni bibia, Now what to Ghana? You are not proud. You are not proud. Make somebody send this video to Fadda Diskson. Any nipa ni company ni sa Peace FM UTV you know say Shatta Wale ni I say I can't take it anymore. And there's enough evidence for me to be behaving like this. I get what I'm saying. Me obi ama miskawo. Me ankasa na mato me kwani ni girl. Any me manager and I mean your business wa. O ka say GF in ema miska mo Jimmy on make nobody sound like we. Make nobody sound like that too. Don't sound like that. Yeah, they talk. Me my artist no person who be able to say stars no. I'm a TV. And you start there. Me a business. Me a business. Pa frimeni. To tomato sa koto yam. To onion koto wa. Utiona. Nkofo. Chale. Maybe I don't say, Baba Sadiq, any Nkofo, any way, muye campaign. And none of you entertainment people for there. They fit down in brother say, oh no, Charlie, the Tabia might try. No, try. Wow, Charlie. You think of how many people will they even pay ticket to come perform for this place. And now Kwasi Aboagye, Kwasi Aboagye, me say wait Jimmy, nipa no employ when you wait Jimmy, nipa na the company so wait Jimmy. So, Kwasi Aboagye, if they don't sack you for that piece FM there, they see me like I be something. Kwasi Aboagye, I say you and despite and Fadda this year, my Jimmy, because my Jimmy, me ya despite and got Jimmy, me ya is sika, me ya Fadda this is sika, me ya be a sika, don't fuck you anybody. As I sleep for second, who know? As I sleep for the back, who know? My Jimmy, small company. For Jimmy also. Mutumin can't come some Jimmy. Then you put that Ghana like, yeah, billionaires. Forget billionaires. Yeah, they tell you the thing where they go for Ghana. Don't see, boy, you get protesters. One boy wake up. Then you go see say they get protesters or they don't get protesters. Oh, Jimmy Papa. When the entertainment in my politics. Hey, Ghana, see, I tell you, sometimes some politicians they say, maybe some minister will chop some money where if we tell what, it go make Ghana chaotic. I swear it go be cocoa seller. It go be farm milk seller. I swear it go be anybody where go make Ghana change. You not be no big man. Which big man? No, which big man they Ghana where they help Ghana? Which big man they Ghana where they say this one if you support they? All of them the power they won't catch up. Power. That's why they watch me like, you be smart, why you being like, hey, my people they suffer. Forget it. Come on for them. You put you change Nima, you change colleague no. You change Ashama. Go check it, you change somewhere. I can't tell me something where they tell me that you put come London, if they sick no, you won't fly and come and the people they suffer for Ghana there. The people they fool for Ghana there. Then if you watch someone Kwasi Aboagye, the day TV, radio. See time I'm using internet, some using internet in Boami. I bet someone they were internet at Boami. See, I'm gonna say, maybe now my boy, my brother cassette and a CD and a pen drive. Hey, see the way people lost. This stuff you did there. Hey, I go collect money out for your face. I go do you like miracle. Oh, this is 80,000 pounds away they cry. Now wait, more. Wait. And keep doubting. Why Jimmy? Hey, I said somebody what make it tell Kwasi Aboagye. Yeah, people they want Jimmy. Forget bad man, you see me? When I verse, forget how much money you get to. Forget who be you. You not be anybody, you know they give life. Forget. You go die. Your pikin go die. Your generation go die. So you not be anybody. Forget yourself with your money. What your name? Why? If you say what? If you say we don't know God, we will know God. So as you know what money is. Money be paper. If you want to be mankind will make the world difficult, man the hustle and the work for paper. Or if you say money, they start using the time they create the world. If you say other men, if they know dollars, or other men, if you know pound. Other men, if you know garden of eating small goods, they do small soup, chop soup, cow meat, those things. They believe in God. Forget man. Which man? Man will fool like that. Man when you go and price somebody, when the person is fool for a company, when man in the fitter, the man they see I'm like, oh, it be cool. What sound? That's my people they sit there. Where every day they call your name, say they insult you, you go join me. You go call police, you go call down Paris, you go call people, say maybe they can't arrest me. Because they had to call your name, and they call your name. It's not about your money. It's about how loving your heart be. Who are Aboagye? Who be young Kwasi will stay radio station. Yet to me catch God despite there was scouts. Hey, despite me catch your one-on-one. Who share me that me mesh out. That's like this. Big man for what? They relate to people. I they treat people. Big man where you get money where them since they do like people they do things we don't see for the country. Big man, if you don't be big man, trust me, for God in house, everybody be one. So make you both take the word inside them, take the word they play. If man they talk, then somebody go see the scene like you put they just monitor say, why Shatta they talk like this? Yeah, it be stupid that Kwasi Aboagye. Where you go make I tell everybody. And that's why it looks like Kwasi Aboagye. You say you fool. I swear everything. Make nobody can tell me say, make nobody even can explain to me say, because despite his station be that, you know what they go on for there. The father they see there, you know what they go on for there. That's why you just bring poor come there, they can't sit there and they know they talk sense. They know they talk sense. They know they talk sense. They put the sit there, they encourage them. Hey, where we from? No big man they there. It be respect, power, money be the last. Forget. When you get respect and get power, God will give you the rest. You can't find where you can make money there. You can't show somebody say be big man. We always sleep for the Ghana day. We always sleep. You put the video and talk stories. Oh, they say Father. They tell me they come. He's selling father in property. Oh, so you not get anything. So as you can, if you say you fool, say you can't sit down, then you know go recoup all those things. Everybody do business. They tell you people they do business. You understand me? I they tell people. You understand? Forget everything. You understand me? Everybody and mind where you get. But me, God know. Say me my mind for where I'm from. Where I did. Hey Allah. Hey. Make nobody see. Make people know this. Make people stop that game they play with me. Eh? Make people stop that nonsense stupid life they play with me. Like everybody where the old person from Ghana is like. You know they see what they happy. I tell Nanaba and I'm asking, Nanaba, the time the pastor in Tinkam, IGP. If you don't worry now, if you have any problem, just them. And if you send them things where people they talk about me, they don't even reply me one. They wait to make I go slap somebody or beat somebody. That be when. Then they go, because if you be Fadda, if you say be Fadda, where something they go on for us, you fulfill repair. But every day, Shatta Wale, my bet now. When I'm talking about the issue, he said, "Oh, but you have to be calm. I have to be calm. Do you know that they are spoiling my business?" Okay, IGP, if you did, then I tell you, so one more to move on. Every day, my papa will say, "Oh, one more to move on." Every day, one more to. Oh, okay, IGP, you or Badia Koda, or IGP, you or Badia Koda, or IGP, your shoe be, or IGP, your shoe be, or IGP, your shoe be. A bell there, a bell there. So yes, sir. Now you castle, yes, sir. A bell there. Why you papa say no car? Mu say, "Oh, Akwala." Okay. Akwala no say no my behavior. Because nyama na makano. Wait here and come on. Charlie, no what the boy they talking true. But I didn't know one sense. I didn't start this thing. Go and check my family, where me I come from. My family my father is really it is shy, you know. My sisters are already shy. You people can't teach me some life. And I like this life. Because I will fight with you people like this. I'll fight with you people like this. Because I say, everybody, Shatta there. Hey, Shatta there what? Hey, you and me the sleep room. No, you and me the bath. You and me the house. Jimmy Ben no. Sister, like what kind of stupid life is that? That no Shatta there be so. So I just wake up where I can sit here. None of you, as you did there, none of you say, as I win artist of the year. People make I tell you, see, my fans, they can sing my song even if I put it in my pocket. My fans, Then they go fit sing my song, even if I put the song in my pocket. I don't need radio. I dey talk this every time. You professor the joke. I don't need radio. I don't need TV to make me who I want to be in life. Are you people listening? Maybe most of you dey internet. You say if TV and radio, where go fit make your life? Gadgets can make my life. There are a whole lot of ways to kill a cat. So if you don't know, dey there and have that mindset. See, people go dey your radio. Me too. I go use some means. I will go find something. They call on Facebook. Me be yamu. Me catch on yama na ko na video na ko na mo marche na mo ma say Kwasi Aboagye ba. First born and second born. Mu papa Jimmy. No ba no nhwe me. No ba no say we Jimmy. E bia wo kwa wo ye bibi wo fia wo ba say e de we Jimmy o but ntwe nkan che wo. Ba ene Angel Shatta e be ka che wo say we Jimmy. Me person wife adam for 4 omo share video we no mo say wait see me na wife if you waka the best friend say wait see me na the best friend say so dey share no who come wait see me because wait see me obi akobo ni shoe unya me manager unya me busiani unya madamfo. What it's now Obi radio station. Hey, that's right. Charlie, you know, say some of you with the street or with the respect the hustle. But you see, things like this, you know, be streets. You understand me? You know, the street, all your money where they chop and things for Ghana. Here they talk. When boys vest right now, bad man. When boys vest for town right now. You boy get information past me. What are you talking about? People take Ghana where they take Ghana they play. You take Ghana where they take Ghana they play. Why are they tell you? They tell you. You just say no to Ghana for them. Hey, Ghana for mu here. I'm here dada bi so. Unkofona mu boy funu mu ni mamu. Just a celebrate. Let's do campaign. Okay, you think those are Ghanaians, eh? Okay, they're there. And making people not use yourself to build the country. Then you go there, oh no, say Shatta there on board there, say Kwasi Aboagye yana. And to me by London, no, my year Kwasi Aboagye. When you no time, my by London, no. When you no time, I catch you go, oh, he's a liar. Aboagye, you see you, those kind of things you do. So when I see that, only nature mob. Because the way I wait see me, Bad man, you see what are they talking? I swear to God, if nobody take him serious, then I go there. There's an old man for Ghana. Or somebody will say get power for Ghana. Somebody will say get, oh yeah, we go. Make enough fucking player, right? You know, let that make man go court. Like go be bazaar. And tell people, because mama me boo fool. Mu person, mu test the guy way. Mu test me. I come in over coup power to power. Now my the president. I come in over coup power to power. Because who say, opinion be any second to no more. Obeka nyansa. Se me be kasa se one time that. No more for say sana me tie. But mon chin say go. Omo ha me. Me ka de bia. Me forget everything. Me never be somebody who I go talk say people they check. Forget. Somebody yes, mobile that common. Me catch him say, obi di me chop say, hey, me mo ba kun. Mo ne me kwa me no ba kun. I swear everything. Me no ba kun. Some people mun try say mun Jamaican no, me mo be say nyesa wo mu, say papa go say Aboagye. No mu tio. No, okay, but why is he talking like that? Okay. Aboagye, I'm one who can so be here, sir. Then I move the person somewhere. You bet your man a warning. You bet your man a warning. I'm more share. Me fans no kasa. Hey, so you people every day, if the boy day, you not do anything, then you can't talk something. You know if you talk about Sarkodie, you know if you talk about all the things you boy talk about Sarkodie, Stoneboy, and whoever you like. Oh, we have a Shatta Wale, he's a liar. Shatta Wale. Someday I talk this thing again. I say I catch American airport. They only have my studio back for my body. Because most people go America, I don't want to take luggage go. Because if I buy clothes, I do hold my luggage. Immigration officer, they ask me say who I be. I say, oh, I be musician, but you know, normal, yes. You know, because the way I shout out there, these guys. He say, oh, we want to check my bag. I say, open my bag. You see sound card, laptop, one speaker, and wires. You know what? He asks, which musician? I was, I producer to so I play my beats and stuff. He say, what be my name? I say, Shatta Wale. They take me go computer. Shatta Wale sex scandal. Shatta Wale this. Shatta Wale that. He's a liar. Shatta Wale. Hey. The white man said, why all this news about as my place, my town, there is a village. They just started using internet. That's I said, okay. Because in America, who can be one same, London, who can be one same. In paying for Kwabeso, Akwala Kitwa, Bema, opinion koda prison, Akwala Kitwa, or bet my money papa, Akoda prison, Akwala Kitwa, wait my money Maame, Akoda prison, Akwala Kitwa, or wait my money family, Nina, Akoda prison, Akwala Kitwa. And you be now, Ebia, any government, Nipa ne woo, Ebia area, Ubi, the BOB, Ebia police, and no more draw within 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Why a country, sir? Why a country, sir? Why a country, sir? Why am a police for car? And we are police for more streets car. I'm going to show because you don't even care about the Ghana police. People where they get streets. When the brown come. Most of them can't complain to you. Most of the police in the police force can't complain because they are already in the job. But you know the pain that they are going through. Police, Ghana police. Ebimuko muto mboots, Ghana police. Ebimuko muto mboots, Ghana police. People do like do the country war like for country. Let's say country no obiaya akwala. And na make a check when you protesters, omuya that abuse. Mubanya can pay for no more difference no because when your country say my channel country we are to me kwala yeah they talk nyasana americano say obian to me who say no afina me t-shirt as here which means every time in konfo we be hano entia no basi imagine say as this thing happen. You people change your stupid character. Say, okay, no, Charlie. The way Alodia do this thing, they try. The way Tabia do this, Charlie, make we all congratulate the boy. Oh, Shatta Wale, boy, Basso. Namusha say, "Meba life." Say, say, where Jim Papa? Who in business am here? Where Jim Papa? Who in confirm me no more business? Where Jim Papa? What petty picture? They say, Shatta they want to if an engagement because the way I never can say on internet so. Sir. Maame life here. Kwasi, who watch a Rambo film? One Rambo, I already two restaurant so go better. Asia titifon Kwasi for Aboagye. You father this I tell you something. If you're on desperate go do like you put on the hear what they talk. And you put on go talk down stupid Kwasi Aboagye. Yeah, they talk. They people say you fool. Trust me. Without apology, forget. I see what to say about you do if you cuts my head, like cuts my head. What I tell you, make you feel am, make your picking watch. Or if it's I don't get picking, where if foolish for like this they talk about me, my pickings go here and go worry. The opposite me banu. I go say about Jimmy see me catch you. Who oba, me person oba no say, who cut you? Baby I will do no cut you. Who frustration wa and just say obano catch obano no obano say me can papa cut you Jimmy Papa and I want to get confirm it now UTV Peace FM Nyama na mu yese mu ye program biama nkwasi asem kwa na moka nkwasi asem na moka nkwasi asem that what to catch your boy here Jimmy be no David Jimmy be no obi antumi so enso make say Charlie ni pe free Ghana only ni girl ni manager omo okobo show ni pa na ba say onu show no ji 80,000 pounds efa obe eti Ghana open ni bia ni obe tie asem na make say nyansa sementa kwesi abaje no ye ntini ko independence square na obi ambeba no 5 keke Ghana at least 36 million by the time 36 million no bebo no mimi ni o che be 35 but last time 35 bebo no na at least ni to aro na ni shwa da ho na makotwe metwe ni shwa no na ma yini testicles na me di woma no na obi so be fa na other testicle no kitwa no se testicle na emienu kitwa no big and small no e fa kitwa obi abeka no ni pa ni so di I say na we Jimmy and na me can comfort am employ no that's why father this is forget everything they respect so that when you respect that then the respect fall down. And I tell you people something. The respect is fall down. Here they talk. And me and if people they say that's why they get money, it be money or not my money. This will be coins to me pay. So I bet my company, sir. I plan Kwasi for company, sir. And I also, sir. Because was scam. In Kwasi in a secret. When I go say Shatta no Shatta so Oscar they say Mongo. Hey, mimi was sikeni gangster. Mimi diago. Mimi is there. We are mimi way. Mimi show be. Mimi board down na me nam. Mimi pesika bebre. My board down na me nam. What Jimmy? Now me say they will say who person on yes sikeni. Yeah, different sikeni Ghana nam. Yeah, pesika bebre. Positively. No see like that. I tell you something. If we don't learn to appreciate, in Ghana, nobody go there. We go to say, no, if you old person, I swear, if like make people go, take car around, go my father's house and ask him, say, Junior, if my father, I make my father understand. Say, no, he born me years, I go school, I finish. Right now, see, it be me where I get the energy to watch my father. It be me where I get the energy to. So when I talk or when I do something, my father will just give me guidance. Over to me and say, "Oh, do it like this." That is the best dad I have in my life. My father has understood me, so I don't talk to my father like this. When I want to talk to my father, me go see me and my father go feed the phone talk 4 hours. Can't do your life. You be father. I show him cry. Shed training, yeah, they tell you. You understand me? Make no boy or nobody can't they and can't talk say, why are they talk like that, Clara? Why are they talk like that? If you them a behavior way go make I go talk like that. And not say I'm like that to me, I don't play. Trust me, I don't can play. Trust me, I don't can play. I be posted at London. Let me play team. That's say I don't can play. You understand me? I don't can play everywhere I go, everywhere day. Forget yourself. Everywhere I go, anything day. You know the power they love me. No, you know the love where I get. You know our idea. We will fit enter where you know we fit enter. That be the problem. Where we go fit enter, you know we fit enter. Sometimes the thing you look like this thing, you look like this thing. Go ahead, Charlie. Don't play with the thing. You understand me? You tell you, if nobody go see say this is what they worry me, and then nobody go talk. You see, when I day my corner, make nobody can try. Because the moment somebody go try, Or that this time I know they lose myself for anybody. Hey, we all grow. Me, my fans plenty grow. They born, they marry until they 10 fathers. They make wild. Yes. Yes. The Shatta movement. Yes. Ghana Street. Yes. Somebody will be organized some media people waiting. Also come and blog it so that it will go on the internet. Hey, and let me catch you. If the street is coming on the streets no blogger. The street no TV station. The streets, when we enter streets, you go here. I say me, I don't care. Nothing for this one go make up here. Keep that same energy for that.